Yeah, good morning students. In this video, I will be discussing on how to install Wireshark and Tshark in Ubuntu. So this is the Ubuntu. Okay. So just open the terminal. So before installing any application, so please see that you need to enter into the root directory and update the Ubuntu. So just I will enter the root directory now. Sudo su super user. So then immediately you try to update the Ubuntu. Okay. The command you can use is apt-get update. So just it will update if any packages are needed. Okay, once it is updated, then use this command apt install Wireshark. Okay, please note down the command apt space means application space install space application name, that is Wireshark. Click enter, then it will start installing. But however, in my Ubuntu it is already pre-installed, so it is telling 0 newly installed because it's already available. So if you want to know whether it is installed or not, just type Wireshark and then click enter. Then you can see the application will open. This is what the Wireshark interface. Okay. So now we will see how to install the Tshark. Same procedure. Just type apt application install Tshark and then click enter. Sorry. That is install spelling is mistake. Apt install Tshark. So here also 0 newly installed because Tshark is also installed in the system. So if you want to know whether it is installed or not, just type Tshark -help. Then click enter. You can see the various flags it will display and respect to article that what that particular flag will do. So everything will be displayed. Or you can directly type Tshark. Then it will start capturing the packets that are running backend. Okay. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.